So I'm going to show you how to change your file associations in Windows. And what that means is, for example, if you have an Excel file and you double click on it and it opens up with something else like Adobe Acrobat or could be anything. And you don't want that, you want it to open up with Excel. So I'm going to show you how it works with an image file. Right here there's on my desktop there's a picture of the Welcome to Las Vegas sign, and right now if I double click on it, it opens up with Adobe Illustrator. And maybe I don't want that, so closing that. I want it to open up with Photoshop instead, so first I have to figure out where Photoshop is in the file structure. So I'm going to type in Photoshop in a search, and it came up right away with just a few characters. So you right click on it when you find it, and then you go down here to Open File Location, and it'll show you where it is. This is the path to the Photoshop program. I'm going to right click on Photoshop and go to Properties, and the location is also here. This is a little easier to copy, so I'm clicking on it and dragging to highlight the whole thing. I'm doing Control C to copy it, hitting OK. That's just capturing the file location for the program. So closing this window. Now I'm going to right click on the file that I wanted to change the association with and go to Properties, and you can see here it says it opens with Adobe Illustrator, which I don't want, so I hit Change right here. Now you could double click on Adobe Photoshop right here and it would change it, but let's do it the hard way because you may not see this icon up there. So you hit Browse, and this opens up and lets you try to search for the file location. Since we've already copied the file location to the clipboard, we can paste it right here. So I'm going Control V and hit Open, and Open. And I see it here. It didn't automatically go to it, I think because of the spaces in here. So since it's here in the window, I'll double click on it instead. Oh, and it's added it to the other programs section, so you hit OK, and now it's changed to Photoshop. Hit Apply and OK. So now I'm going back to the original file and double clicking on it to see what it opens with. And there you go, it opened up with Photoshop instead of Illustrator. Now one problem that you sometimes might have is that you can't see certain files. Open up a window like this, certain programs that is, open up a window like this, and then you press the Alt button. I'm doing that now, and then a menu comes up. You go to Tools, Folder Options, and then View, and then you have to click on this, Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. You might have to do this for Excel to show up, for example, if you're trying to link something to Excel. You hit OK, and then where you may not have seen Excel in your previous search, you'll find it now. And you can use the process I just showed you to link it back to Excel. And that's it.